morning, sunshine. Wow, nice outside. Okay, good morning, sunshine. Nasa harapan ng araw. Diyan, papasok na ako. I still have 1 hour to kill. Tingnan mo yung mga ano sa labasan. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Wow. Gusto niyo ba ito, guys? Ayan, maganda. Nakahilera siya. Side by side. Doon din sa kabila. Tingnan mo. Ang ganda! Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Ayun. Luxor. Pyramid in Las Vegas. Diyan ako nagtatrabaho, guys. Food production trabaho ko dyan sa sa loob pala. Sa loob ng Luxor. Ayun, the big one. Aloha! That's my new boyfriend right there. Nakaupo lang siya. Forever. Hindi siya umaalis dyan. Mga 30 years na. How's everyone doing? Have a great morning, guys. Yan. Picture lang. Killing time. I still have 1 hour to kill before I start my work. Yan yung Mandalay. Maganda din dyan, Mandalay Bay. Maganda din ang loob niyan. Yun. Then the pyramid. I feel like I'm in Egypt. In my dreams. Oh, very nice outside today. I love it. Morning is very nice. But like around 4 o'clock, when I get up at work, oh my God, super hot. Very hot. Have a blessed day, everyone. Have some coffee. Love you all. Enjoying life.